Did he just get up on using the bowl only? Nice.
See me walk.
Okay. Jacob can walk too.
I
Good
can
Nathan.
walk. You can.
Jacob, watch out, I'm filming.
It's okay.
I'll get you on, I'll get you on, don't worry.
How about you do a dance? Do you know a dance? What dance do you know?
Look at Nathan.
Go on then.
Every really walk is serious. Run from master, run from the time, one for little father, let down the line. Thank you, said the master. Thank you, said the time. Thank you, said the little body, let down the line.
Good boy.
Very good.
Good singing, mate. What's your brother doing? Oh, he's getting up. He's happy. Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh, proud of himself, isn't he?
I put it in my mouth.
What have you got in your mouth?
A fork.
You did too.
I got a fork too.
But how did that fork break?